students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class and our today's topic is sentence making number 6 to 10. So let's start our class. Look at the board. In the previous classes we learned sentence making from number 1 to 5 and today we will learn the sentence making from number 6 to 10. That is total 5. Just look at the board, students. Some words are given and we have to make a meaningful sentence with these words, with this given words. So let's start at first number 6. Basket, B-A-S-K-E-T, basket. And the sentence is, the basket is full of flowers. The basket is full of flowers. The basket is full of flowers. Now number 7 is spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, spider. And the sentence is, a spider has 8 legs. A spider has 8 legs. A spider has 8 legs. Now number 8 is friend, F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. We are good friends. We are good friends. We are good friends. Number 9 is net, N-E-T, net, N-E-T, net, N-E-T, net. We catch fish with net. We catch fish with net. We catch fish with net. 10 is lunch, L-U-N-C-H, lunch, L-U-N-C-H, lunch, L-U-N-C-H, lunch. He is eating lunch. He is eating lunch. He is eating lunch. So number 6, basket. The basket is full of flowers. Number 7, spider. A spider has 8 legs. Number 8 is friend. We are good friends. Then number 9 is net. We catch fish with net. And number 10 is lunch. He is eating lunch. And students, your HW is sentence making number 6 to 10. That means today's topic is your HW. Students, that's all for today. See you in the next class, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.